Bonjour! In this lesson, we are going to talk about French verbs. What are verbs? We know that verbs are action words. So, in this lesson, we are going to mention 52 commonly used French verbs. French verbs that are commonly used, people use to express themselves. French verbs are divided into two major groups. We have regular verbs and we have irregular verbs. The regular verbs are into three groups. We have les verbes on ER, ER verbs, IR verbs, and RE verbs. Premier group, les verbes on ER. So the first group are verbs that end in ER. These are manger, écouter, regarder, chanter, jouer, voyager, nager, danser, travailler, acheter, parler, étudier, aimer, adorer. The list of ER verbs is very long, but maybe we could start with these ones. Deuxième groupe, les verbes en IR. Second group are verbs that end in IR. These are choisir, finir, agir, punir, abolir, applaudir, remplir, avertir, bénir, blanchir, réussir, réfléchir, bâtir. Troisième groupe, les verbes en RE. The third group are verbs that end in RE. Exemple, on a attendre, entendre, rendre, descendre, défendre, perdre, vendre, répondre. So those are regular verbs. We have said we have verbs that end in ER for the first group, verbs that end in IR for the second group, and verbs that end in RE for the third group. They are called regular verbs because they follow a particular pattern. The ER verbs end in a particular way. The IR verbs also end in a particular way, and the RE verbs also end in a particular way. Now let's look at les verbes irréguliers, irregular verbs. When we talk about irregular verbs, we are talking about verbs that do not follow any particular pattern. They are conjugated. Each of the verb is conjugated in its own way. Examples of these verbs are être, aller, faire, prendre, pouvoir, vouloir, boire, avoir, apprendre, lire, écrire, devoir, vivre, dire, voir, falloir, savoir, among others. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Au revoir.